The DEEBOT X1 Omni Vacuum offers a groundbreaking all-in-one station that automatically empties its dustbin and cleans its mop heads after use, providing a hands-free cleaning experience. Equipped with a powerful 5,000 Pascal suction and an innovative mopping system, this vacuum effectively handles debris and stubborn stains on both hard floors and carpets. Its advanced, laser-based navigation and mapping technology ensure thorough cleaning with minimal missed spots, making it highly efficient in covering all areas. Thanks to AIVI 3D technology, the vacuum can accurately identify and avoid obstacles over 2 inches tall, allowing it to clean seamlessly without interruptions. The built-in YIKO Voice Assistant makes it incredibly easy to control the device with simple voice commands, streamlining the cleaning process even more. Designed by Jacob Jensen, the DEEBOT X1 Omni not only performs exceptionally, but also boasts an elegant aesthetic that complements any home decor.